Hi, so today is 13th of August and let's do a quick analysis of all the BTST trades which we can take. From the looks of it, we see that TCS is around about at an all-time high and the levels of 3450 should be maintained on the closing basis. On the top of that, LT Lazan and Tublo जो हमने सुबह identify किया था, that's also trading near all-time high near about 1680. Tata Steel is also one of the trades from the morning and this is also trading at days high. So going forward, these are a few of the candidates जिसको हम forward ले जा सकते हैं. BATA India, unfortunately, it's also going to give a closing at all-time high, but still it has to break this level of 1720. But I think going forward, BTST, especially for the next week, BATA India is going to be a good option. Metropolis was unable to go towards 2800, and hence you can see this breakdown. Vedanta also had a profit booking from the higher levels of 330. Infy is looking really good, and today it gave a good 20 rupees move. And going forward, this is also one of the candidates for BTST. HDFC and HDFC Bank we have identified in the morning, and now you can see they are all trading at a day's high, and this is also true for Bhartiartl. Bhartiartl was able to get a good move from 630 to 637. So these are a few of the BTST counters which you can actually in the market. There are a lot of options, but I think these are a few of the trending ones which is going to give you a very good trade in the next in the coming short term. From weakness perspective, so weakness is there in IRCTC and after the result, but still it's able to so maybe going forward ये 2600 तक आएगी, तब हम जाके इसमें कुछ decisions लेंगे. Since and again Auto Pharma has been trading at days low, और ये हमने सुबह identify किया था, and this is also true for Ashok Leyland. We were creating shots at the level as soon as the levels of 133 were broken, and it went towards 128. So this was also a good trade. Glenmark is also weak, and so is Dr. Reddy. ये दोनों stocks ही हमने सुबह को identify किया था, and it seems like the weakness is still there and is going to continue. Exide Industries is also one of the stocks we had discussed yesterday, where it was said that there is more weakness in the coming weeks, and maybe this is going to go for 160 levels. So other than that, you also have Pfizer, and it seems like there's a minor support from 5750. Let's see how it reacts on 5700 levels. So from a BTST perspective, I think going forward, very good positions have been made in HDFC, HDFC Bank, INFY BPCL. Metropolis is not Metropolis, but BATA India also is going to give you all-time high closing. So this is actually a good thing, and going forward, the all-time high is just some 20-30 points from these levels. So definitely this is going to be a very good trade. The companies which are trending really strong is Cummins India. You can see Cummins India went towards 989 levels, and from there it's very near to 980 levels. और हमने इसमें multiple trades लिया सुबह in the morning and also right now. So we created some positions at 970, and right now we are going to carry it for BTST. And ये मैंने पहले tweet भी किया था when I tried to enter at when I entered at 970 some half an hour ago. Tata Consumer is also trading above 800. We closed our positions at 800, and we will be tracking this. We will be monitoring for all-time high closing, and definitely we would be tracking it for BTST. ACL Tech was able to take a good support from 1100, and it went towards 1120. So our short-term targets or intraday targets have been met, and going forward this might be a good candidate. It seems like IGL is definitely going to break down, and going forward we can see the levels of 520 coming, and from there we can see the levels of 505. So IGL is looking weak, and so is also more in terms of National Alum is also looking weak. Page Industry is one of the trades we identified in the morning. I didn't trade it, but you can see that it's trading at days low, and so is Aisha Moto. Aisha Moto broke 2600 जिसमें हमने shorts create किए थे, and right now is trading near days low at 2520 levels. So that's all, folks. Hope this market watch is going to give you some ideas of the trades which I'm going to carry for the next week, and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.